Good morning, my little champs. A very happy new year to all my little ones. Happy New Year, bacha. How are you all today? I hope, children, you are all feeling great today. I am your Goldie ma'am. Tell me, children, how many seasons are there? Yes, there are 4 seasons. Winter season, summer season, spring season and rainy season. Tell me, children, one more thing. How are you feeling today? ठंडी लग रही है बच्चों कि गर्मी? Yes, ठंडी लग रही है ना? तो children, tell me, in which season do you feel cold? Yes, you are right. We feel cold in winter season. I know, children, you have already learnt about winter season in the last session of general awareness. So today let's first quickly revise it. Winter season is the coldest season of the year. We feel cold in winter season. Winter season starts from the month of November and ends in the month of February. बच्चों, आपको पता है विंटर सीजन में कुछ जगहों पर बर्फ गिरती है. इसकी वजह से ठंडी खूब बढ़ जाती है. In winter season, days are shorter and nights are longer. यानी दिन छोटे होते हैं और रातें लंबी. In winter season, we wear woolen clothes to keep our body warm. We wear sweater, jacket, woolen socks, scarf, woolen cap, mittens. Children, in winter season, to keep our body warm, we enjoy hot beverages and hot food like hot coffee, hot tea, and soup. In winter season, we get variety of fruits and vegetables. In winter, we get fruits like apple, orange, guava, strawberry, pomegranate, grapes, papaya and pineapple. We also get vegetables like cauliflower, spinach, green peas, carrot, beetroot, fenugreek leaves, radish and broccoli. Can you tell me, children, about which season we are going to learn today? Any guesses? Good job. Yes, children, we are going to learn about summer season. Summer season को बच्चों हिंदी में ग्रीष्म ऋतु बोलते हैं. First, children, we will learn about the weather of summer season. बच्चों, हम पहले ग्रीष्म ऋतु के मौसम के बारे में जानेंगे. Summer season. Children, summer season starts from the month of April and ends in the month of June. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. ग्रीष्म ऋतु साल का सबसे गर्म मौसम होता है. Dusty, dry and hot winds blow during summer season. गर्मी के मौसम में चलने वाली हवा को लू कहते हैं. The days are longer and the nights are shorter. ग्रीष्म ऋतु के दौरान दिन लंबे और रातें छोटी होती हैं. We feel very hot during summer season. The weather is generally hot and sweaty, but it is the most loved season of the year. Why, children, do you know? Because we have summer holidays. तपती गर्मी के कारण ही स्कूलों में बच्चों की छुट्टियां कर दी जाती है. We enjoy at hill stations. कई लोग गर्मी से बचने के लिए हिल स्टेशन पर चले जाते हैं. We also go to beaches with our family and friends. Also, we enjoy pool party at home and in school. Children play outside with their friends in the evening. Now, children, we will see the things that we wear in summer season. Children, we wear light colored cotton clothes in summer season. गर्मी के मौसम में लोग हल्के रंग के खादी के कपड़े पहनते हैं. We also wear hat to protect our head from heat. We wear sunglasses when we go out. Now, children, we will see that what do we do to calm our warmth in summer season. We use fan, air cooler and air conditioner in summer season. Now, children, let's talk about the fruits and the food that we eat during summer season. We eat mango. Yummy, yummy. Children, it is the king of all fruits and it is our national fruit. We also eat pineapple, muskmelon, watermelon, papaya, lychee. In summer season, children will love to eat yummy yummy ice cream. Fruit custard जो आपकी मम्मा आपके लिए बनाती है and jelly is also very yummy. Now children, we will see the summer drinks that we love to drink to keep ourselves cool in summer season. We drink lemonade, coconut water, watermelon juice, mango shake and water. We should drink lots of water to keep us hydrated. बच्चों, हमें गर्मी में खूब पसीना होता है, इसलिए हमें खूब सारा पानी पीना चाहिए. Children, you should always avoid going out in afternoons during summer season. Now children, it's Watchy Time. Children, in this worksheet you have to circle the things related to summer season. Yummy yummy ice cream. Children, do you love to eat an ice cream in summer season? Yes, so you will circle it. What is this, children? Muffler. Do you wear muffler in summer season? No, so you will not circle it. What is this? Cooler. So children, do you use cooler to cool yourself in summer season? Yes, so you will circle it. What is this? Woolen cap. So children, do you wear woolen cap in summer season? No, so you will not circle it. Children, do you wear cap in summer season? Yes, to protect your head from heat of the sun, so you will circle it. Children, do you wear sunglasses in summer season? Yes, to protect your eyes from rays of the sun. So you will circle the sunglasses. This was all about summer season. I hope children you all enjoyed this session. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.